Good morning everyone. I am Ankit from MCA AKU Semester 1. Today I am standing over here to present a presentation on a topic data manipulation language. Before going further, I would like to thank respected sir, dear sir. So let's start from the first slide. So first of all, we need to understand what is SQL commands. So basically SQL commands are instructions. It is used to communicate with database. It can also used in various functions like creating table, if you have to insert data on table, drop the table, modify table. We can manipulate with data in database. So basically the use of SQL command is this. There are many types of SQL commands like DDL, DML, DCL, TCL and DQL. Okay, DDL stands for Data Definition Language, DML stands for Data Manipulation Language, DCL stands for Data Control Language, TCL stands for Transaction Control Language and DQL stands for Data Query Language. So we are going to discuss about DML command as according to the topic. So what is data manipulation language? DML command are used to modify the database. It is responsible for the changes in the database. The command of DML is not auto-committed. It means we can roll back it. So here are some DML commands. First one is insert, second one is update and third one is delete command. So let's discuss one by one. What is insert command? The insert statement is a SQL query is used to insert data into the rows of a table. So here is the syntax of it. Insert into table name and what was the value we have to insert there. Here is the example. Let's see with the syntax. So here is the insert command. As you can see, we created the database and I have created employee table and I am going to insert some values in this table. So we have created the table. Now I'm going to let's see. So we can clearly see the data is inserted into this table. Okay, there is ID 1 and name is Ankit and age is 22. So it is the use case of insert command. Now the second one is update command. This command is used to update or modify the value of a data in a table. Okay, so let's see this with example as well. So this is the update command here and I am going to update the name which I have inserted. Let's see the result. So you can clearly see here, earlier it was showing Ankit and here it is showing Aryan. It means it updated the name. Okay. Now, the third and last command of data manipulation language is delete command. It is used to remove one or more rows from a table. Okay, so let's see this with example. It will be more clear. So I'm going to delete. You can see So you can clearly see all data in this row is deleted. So this is the use case of DML commands I have discussed here. These are the three commands of data manipulation language. So that's it from my side. Thank you everyone.